Hello everybody, it is your baby boomer Kitty Lane from the Peninsula in Virginia, back with another Create and Relate, just as I promised. Again, I want to thank all of my subscribers, and I ask when you come in and look at this beautiful self-portrait that you go back and tell all of your friends that they got to come check this man out. This self-portrait, the man himself is taken, but this was done when he was in high school. Imagine what he can do now. And if I could just make my face look as serious as his. That's my baby boy. I love me some him. I just wanted to give y'all a little taste of what the art wall is going to be looking like, and we are definitely working on it. So like I always tell you, be bold, be brave, be of love, and behave. Until we meet again on these YouTube streets, you guys take it easy and peace.